Welcome to Florence, day 47-48. Did you know that Florence is the birthplace of Renaissance? Our visit to Florence was as short and quick as it was in Pisa. But we stayed for 2 nights, so that we can take a pause to take a rest. Florence is Firenze in Italian, or Firenze, I believe. Florence is the capital of Italy's Tuscany region. It is home to the many masterpieces of Renaissance art and architecture. One of the most iconic sites is the Duomo, a cathedral with a terracotta tiled dome engineered by Brunelleschi and a bell tower by Giotto. Did you know that Florence is the birthplace of piano, invented by Bartolomeo Cristofori in 18th century? Also, interestingly, Gucci was founded in 1921 by Guccio Gucci in Florence. Not to mention that Florence is the birthplace of Leonardo da Vinci, who was born in the lower valley of Arno River on the 15th of April 1452. Listen, I can go on and on and on and on and on about Florence. It is everything you would imagine it to be, and we enjoyed it dearly. Following photos are taken with Fuji X20 edited in Selfie Developer Studio Pro with Fuji Across Film Simulation. Enjoy! I see you in Rome and I'm excited.